How to change location on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To change location on Android, you simply need to follow all the steps shown on the video. First of all, launch settings application. Scroll down. Look for the option of additional settings and tap to open it. Here you will see different additional settings like system navigation, language and region, keyboard and input method and so on. So simply choose the language and region option. And here you can easily choose region. Currently it has been set to Nepal. To change it, you can search the region using the search bar or simply you can scroll down manually. So from here you can choose the region where you reside. Let's say India. Choose that, and here you can see that we have successfully changed our location on Android, and the date and time will be changed automatically when you change your location. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.